Alright, this is my WEN Thickness Planer. It's a kind of a cheapie, but it's got good reviews, so this is how it works. So it planed this surface nice and smooth, and except for a little bit of snipe at the end, well, you can't really tell in the video, but it's straight. It might be it's straight in this plane. It might be tilted just a little bit sideways, but I hope to get I plan to get a jointer as well to help get my boards all straight. Yeah, you can tell there's a little bit of bow, but you should be able to get all that out and have good straight boards to do woodworking with.